Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image. Well, I shot a long time ago, but I made this, smudged image last day, and I got this image, and also I have line drawing image, this one by Adobe Photoshop. We use the filter called Find Edges as always. Okay, what I want to do this time is colorized. Well, make a black and white to color print like. And also I got the reference image for this. This is a color image, and based on this image, I'm gonna paint it on. I'm gonna add the layer first, then I'm gonna paint it on this layer. Let's get started. Now, first of all, I'm gonna paint on. Choose this brush, which is not like painting brushes, because these brushes has texture on it. So I'm going to choose airbrushing to soft blend, or maybe medium blend, hard blend. These three brushes I'm going to use. Now first of all, go for soft blend to put some nice skin tones first. Okay, and brush size gonna be pretty small, I think. Then brush opacity, it's gonna be maybe 50 to 60%. Now, paint on this layer. Okay, paint it on here. I think it's too thick now. Okay, just want to see these colors. Well, change the blend mode of this to like it's normal now. These are linear burn, color burn. Go for add or overlay. Still not quite. Well, I think I changed normal to color now. Then I'm gonna paint it on here. Okay. Now again, let's continue to paint it on here. Her skin more reddish. Okay, since this is highlight, it doesn't show much color on, but I'm gonna, let's put the lips. Now, small brush size and more pinkish. Okay, now I'm gonna I goes to brown. I think eyebrow. Let's go with eyebrow first. Darken. More yellow in it. And then I goes too much brown, I think. Okay, overall now, and go for gold. So, okay, now hair color is pretty much, oops, that's too thick. I see more red in it. more yellow. Gold. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna turn this one off. Pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna take this off. So, no more brownish. Okay. Let's go with the lines. Maybe more reddish. Add some yellow. Is this too much? Maybe eraser tool. Just tone down just a little bit. Then again, healthy, nice skin tone. Much more reddish, huh? Okay, touch more pinkish. Okay, goes small, a little bit thick. Okay, now, well, this is, then maybe a little bit blue. And this. Okay. This, I guess that's too much. Same goes to yellow. Now it's kind of healthy look. Okay. Much better than this, I think. More healthy. Okay, now same time I'm gonna put on this same skin tone, color to hand. Now, so nail has more pinkish color, I think. Just a touch pinkish. Okay, now go for yellow. Okay, now go for feet. Okay, pretty much skin colors. Just a touch. Now go for this chair. Has a red brown, real dark here. Okay, go about this much. Little thick, more yellow. A little more red. Well, we have here too, huh? Real dark. I don't see much. Oops. There is. I see. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go this kind of dark red and overall yellow. Add some more red. Okay, pretty much color image. Yep. Now I go for background. I like this kind of brown, yellowish. Yeah, orange. Just a touch more yellowish. Okay, let's go with a little bit bigger. Okay, now just a touch reddish color on her shoulder light. Key light has more warm tone light. I want this. I wonder, this is same place here, so I guess I forgot to paint on this here. Okay, I guess pretty much done. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I think this is it for today, and I hope this can help you some kind of idea for your creative work. And have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.